Pathway to Medicine is a structure that exists within some of our BSc programs. It's for students who want a guaranteed interview for our graduate entry medicine program, but are keeping their options open, possibly as a fifth choice in their UCAS form when they're applying for undergraduate medicine, or they know that they want to do a first degree before they apply to graduate entry medicine.
The reasons you should study medical pharmacology is that it is the science and knowledge and understanding that underpins all of our use of drugs in clinic. The science of pharmacology helps us understand how disease happens, what goes wrong in the body, and how we successfully treat it. This is essential in your prescribing skills exam, which is a requirement during your career as a doctor, and ensures that you can successfully and competently prescribe and treat your patients.